How to find auto volume adjustment settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find auto volume adjustment settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then just scroll down. Here you will find this one, accessibility. Click on it, and here you will find auto volume adjustment, and here you can manage it. You can turn it off uh, or on just by one click. And as you see here, that's how to find auto volume adjustment settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.